What can I do immediately after my adjustment to make sure that I am maximizing the benefits from my chiropractic adjustment? It's a great question. One of the things I definitely recommend is that if you are going to exercise, do it immediately after you get adjusted. And the reason why is that as that spine is in proper alignment, you get two benefits. One, proper biomechanics in the whole nervous system. Second thing is that brain is properly communicating to all parts of the body maximally. So not only are you going to get the best biomechanical functions, but also the best neurological functions. You're going to get the most results out of your exercise routine if you are doing it post-adjustment.